Hello, let's talk about checkboxes. This is another way to enable a filter, and it's a great way to have a fantastic user experience. I, though, personally am more of a fan of the drop down, but a checkbox is really awesome as well. So if you don't know where I'm going, check this out. You can open up a card, go to Edit and Analyzer, and then we appear here. And under chart types, if you look at popular charts, there is one called checkboxes, but there's a better way to go. If you click popular charts and you go all the way down to filters right here, you can see checkboxes and a whole slew of other types of filters. But we're here, checkboxes. Let's see how this works. So what you want to do is you want to take something you're trying to filter, like the name of countries, states, companies. These are companies right now. And you want to put it into 4 sections: items, group by, sorting, because you do want to be a good user experience where it's alphabetical. And I would normally put it into filters just to check if I have any value that's blank, and I would say not in, and I would remove that value because it's a bad user experience if you have just a blank hanging out right here. That's pretty much it. And you can allow somebody to pick different check marks on what they want to see. There are a couple other fun tricks. Check this out. I'm going to go to general, and here I could do something. I could either have the checkboxes be the way that they were. I can allow for a search bar to appear so someone could type in something. So this is very good if you have a whole list of names of people or countries. You could just type it in if you want to. What I could also do is single row. That's what I was looking for. If I click single row, now my checkboxes appear this way. If I unselect it, we're right back to this way. Okay, that's a super fast example of how to use checkboxes. Hey, and you thought that was cool? I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10 minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition, at this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month, where you can ask me a question if you want to. And you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that. And you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World, and it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.